Hello. Welcome to my channel, my dear friends. My name is Avilash. I'm a trader next door. In this video, I'll be analyzing the chart of Euro USD. So if you're watching my videos for the first time, you can subscribe to my channel for regular market analysis. So let's get started. So my dear friends, today is a big day. Today we have CPI. So please be careful, especially beginners, new traders. Try to close down all your US dollar positions before the news. You can go to any economy calendar or forexfactory.com also to check out the timing in your country so that you can be prepared. Again, I'm repeating, do not gamble with your hard-earned money. Try to close down all your positions before the news. If you're experienced enough, then that's a different chapter. You can go with it. Okay, and whatever the levels we'll be discussing right now, okay, those are valid only before CPI, because whenever a news dominates a market, usually we see technicals do not stand any chance, because whenever there is a battle between fundamentals and technicals, fundamentals always win. So today, when market will be driven by news, you should be careful, and instead of looking for reversals, try to follow the trend of the market. Okay, after the news, before news, okay, yes, we have got some levels, you can trade accordingly. So at first, let's look at the chart of DXY. As we all know, my dear friends, the DXY is under pressure for the last couple of weeks and months. And when DXY was extremely bullish, DXY made a high of 114.70. It was CPI that brought a trend reversal on the chart of DXY. And right now, DXY is standing at 101.58. Okay, so again, today we have CPI. So my dear friends, please be careful. As we already know, and as we have already discussed in the previous videos, that 100.80 is the last support, last line of defense for DXY, and DXY is trying its best for the last couple of days and weeks to survive above this level, to sustain above this level. So let's see whether market is able to hold the support or not. If DXY breaks 100.80, things will be very critical. It will be heading towards double digit. Okay, and as the market is in downtrend for the last couple of days and weeks and months, so if DXY tries to recover also, the road will not be very easy. Right now, this is the range of DXY, 100.80 and 102.30 before CPI. After CPI, okay, market may break these levels, so trade accordingly. Now let's look at the chart of Euro USD. So Euro USD took a perfect support, okay, perfect support on the level we discussed yesterday, and right now we can see that Euro USD is going up. Hopefully you made some profit and you are still running in profit. And during the day, okay, there is a good possibility that market may remain silent. There may not be much volatility, because after a big event, big news, market prefers to stay silent. So after taking support, market is right now climbing higher. So I'm not hoping for a very big move. Market may remain like this only. So you made money yesterday, so do not be reckless with your trades today. So there is a possibility that before CPI you may not find any good opportunity on any pair, not only Euro USD, on any pair, because if it remains silent before CPI, if market starts going up, then 1.1000 is a level. Okay, 1.1000 is a level where market may face some resistance, and 1.1010 is another level where market may face some resistance. And the reason is, we can see that I have drawn Fibonacci, and we also have the moving averages around the area. Around 1.1000 we have 50 moving average, and 1.1010 we have 100 moving average. So before CPI, when the market is dull, there is not much volatility. Definitely we can expect that once market will hit the level, market will face some selling pressure. Just switch to hourly time frame or 50 minutes time frame. If you see that market is showing price rejection from above, you can look for a sell position. Do not expect much. 15 to 20 pips is enough before CPI or any news. So if market hits the level, observe the market. If market shows price rejection from above, go for a sell position. And the support level, okay, that gave us money or profit, should not work today, because this level has done the job. And if we look at the chart carefully, then we can clearly see that market has been testing the level too many times. So as a result, it is very difficult to trust the level right now, because as we already know that if market tests a level too many times, the level loses its strength, and the support has been tested many times. So in this environment, okay, it is very risky to trust the support here. So before CPI, okay, before CPI, if market breaks 1.0940 level, if market breaks the support before CPI 1.0940 level, you can also look for a sell as well. But just make sure that market has volume. Means the size of the candle should be good enough. Right now there is not much volume. Okay, so if the same volatility remains and market try to move or below 1.0940, do not trust, because for a proper breakout or breakdown, volume is extremely important. Without volume, if market hits for a breakout or breakdown, usually it leads to a false breakout. So just to avoid false breakout, you need to observe the volume. So in case market during the European session, if market breaks 1.0940 level with volume, then you can look for a sell. But otherwise, okay, this level is chances are very less that it will work as support right now. Let's assume that if market shows a downside before CPI, then there's a possibility that after hitting the support level, okay, market will stay at the support level. Okay, you will see one or two candles, small candles, low volatility candles on the support level, because the buyers do not have the strength right now. Okay, so very limited number of opportunities on almost all the pairs, because before a big event, okay, market prefers to stay silent. So my dear friend, please be careful. Again, I'm repeating, there may be some extreme volatility, and this is my analysis. I can be wrong as well, so please follow proper risk management. As I always say, do not gamble with your hard-earned money, and beginners, new traders, do not try to double triple your income. Okay, this is not the way to trade. There's a difference between a trader and a gambler. Be a trader, not a gambler. Okay, and as I said, okay, you can go to forexfactory.com or any economy calendar just to find out the timing in your time zone or your country. Okay. Forexfactory.com. Yeah, that's it. Okay, fine. Bye bye. Take care.